So depending where you're at on your journey now, you should be at like the 3-month mark or the 4-month mark, and you've been on your 1 serving a day, your 2 scoops in the mornings for 1 to 2 months, and now you're ready to taper down even more. I'd say have it every like 4 to 5 days whenever you feel like you need it, and actually start introducing more fibre in your diet. You can replace all the fibre that you're getting with this now with dietary fibre, and then just sort of use this as and when you need it. You can use it as a maintenance dose. I like to use it like every 3 or 4 days, or if I'm going travelling and I know I'm going to eat rubbish food, I'll just continue to have it. But anyway, you just want to be having it every 4 to 5 days and just tapering yourself off it, and then trying to reintroduce the dietary fibre that may have been lacking before, and you're good to go. And by all means, you can carry on a maintenance dose, or even change on to the everyday fibre if you don't want to have the hassle of putting all the dietary fibre in yourself and peeling vegetables and all that. You can just get 21 amazing organic wildcrafted ingredients.